So I understand sometime when we are doing our product research, it might not be practical to go back and forth, look for the categories right here, then do all the calculation on a calculator. It can be a bit confusing. To get the general idea, there is a free calculator that you can use. On a Google, just type eBay fee calculator UK. I have put the link for that inside the lectures that you have downloaded first. Check inside the notes, but anyway, it is this one right here. This one you can see it here on the screen. Let's say we're gonna sell the item for £10. We're gonna offer free shipping to our customer, and the product is costing £3.95 to ship, and we have paid around £2 for the item. If you're a business seller, we're gonna put this one on. We can select the categories from here, let's say music, and then our profit is going to be 273, and then it can just simply calculate the profit for us. Like, it will be very simple to see if our product is profitable or not. So rather than going back and forth here, we can use this free calculator and to really see if that product will be profitable after shipping cost, after fee to eBay, all that kind of stuff as well. The link for that is inside the notes.